Hey guys, good morning. Today's video is gonna be a day in the life, social distancing. That's all we've been doing for the past couple weeks. So I'm gonna take you along with us for the day. I'm pretty much just gonna clean around the house, do a lot of laundry, and see where the day takes us. Let's get started. Probably gonna be a little vlog at home, but it is what it is. We gotta stay home. What have you guys been up to? Let me know down below. Give me some ideas of things to do at home, some shows to watch. We just started watching Watchmen last night, and it is weird as hell. Gonna get started with the laundry. All right, we are ready. Got the robe on. I will probably do something with this hair later, but who knows? Who knows? Here's the detergent I've been loving. It's better for your skin, lavender scented, and I found it at Costco. And this is the fabric softener. It's free of dyes and perfumes. I grabbed this one from Walmart and I've been really loving them. Here's how the kitchen and living room look before I clean. A hot mother effing mess. My guy has been lounging, super happy to have us home with him. Here are the vitamins I've been taking religiously. They're immune support mushrooms and lion's mane. They're pills that have about 17 different mushroom spices and they help balance out my immune system. Have y'all heard the new Weekend? That's what I'm listening to right now while I sip on my coffee. If you guys don't know, I love Winnie the Pooh, and shout out to my sister-in-law for getting me this mug. Here's a more low-carb version of my whipped cream recipe. Just editing here. Pretty gloomy outside. Looks like it's about to rain. Still in my PJs and my robe. Been editing here. Getting kind of sleepy, but I just need to work a little bit longer and then I'm gonna take a break in a bit to start on some breakfast. David's playing Xbox and just this is what our day is looking like. Here are the veggies I'll be using for breakfast. Gonna fry up some bacon and eggs for David. Now I'm gonna make a little salsita. I added a little bit of avocado oil and I added the chopped onion and jalapeno, some garlic, and sauté that a little bit before adding the tomato. Now add the red salsa, and this is from Superior. Let it cook a little bit and then add the lid and turn down the heat. This is so bomb on eggs. Added cheese on the eggs and adding the salsita on top so that the cheese can melt. Top it off with some pepper and some pink Himalayan salt. Plate with some bacon and a few slices of cucumber and dice up some avocado and add that on top. For me, I was craving feta cheese salad, so I just mash up some of the cheese, add onion, tomato, cilantro, cucumber, and jalapeno. Then add about a tablespoon of EVOO and sprinkle some chili powder. This was made by my mama, so shout out to her. You guys have to try this. So freaking bomb. Wow. This is the pita bread I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna add some mortadella to the sandwich. So I'm gonna heat up the pita bread and make my sandwiches. While I eat, I like to take my supplements. I'm taking my minerals and electrolytes and all my vitamins. Getting back to the laundry, and these are the dryer balls that I use. They're 100% wool and more sustainable, so I've been using these and I really like them. They do dry the clothes really well. While I'm doing all this, I'm actually watching a few of my favorite people on live pack the dishwasher and cleaning up the dishes. Nothing like a clean and sanitized kitchen. And here's how the living room is looking. Now I'm going to just chill out a little bit and watch some D-Nice, and after him was Questlove, so I'm just going to relax a little bit and enjoy my coffee. If you're feeling anxious during this time, I suggest you get an oil diffuser. I added eucalyptus and lavender to mine. And I turn on some real and fake candles. It puts me in a good mood and makes me feel better. I'm gonna edit for a little bit before I start prepping dinner. Steak fajita is on the menu tonight, and these are the veggies I'm prepping. I'm also gonna be making some fresh pico. I'm making my own taco seasoning by using 1 teaspoon of each of these. Now I'm going to slice the asada and cook it a bit before adding all the veggies. Cooking this a bit and now adding all the spice. And here's what I'm using for tacos and all the toppings. I love Taco Bell's fire sauce. I found this at Walmart and it is bomb. Here's what I ended my night with. So that's pretty much it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell so you're notified of when these videos are going up. Let me know what you guys are doing to keep busy during this tough time. I hope you guys are okay, and my prayers and my thoughts are with you guys and your families. Stay strong, and I will see you guys in my next video.